After getting word about a Canadian Pacific ballast train with a KCS MACE leading and a CSX GEVO trailing, I decided to go out and try to shoot this. At first I went to NS Oakwood Yard, and after only seeing some locals sitting in the yard, we decided to move down to Romulus. Right as we get there, CPKC 230 pulls up, with the CP SD70 ACU leading and a KCS SD70 ACE as a DPU. Because we moved, we only had about half an hour, so we had to leave before the ballast train came through. And then, 45 minutes later... Bruh! So close. Almost got it. Anyway, that was a big fail. Hopefully next time around I'll get better luck.